Hi, I'm Pam Hayes from Hayes Sewing Machine Company, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to clean out your cutting system. So if you have a Bernina that has a large black bobbin and you have a cutting system on your machine, it's going to prompt you after a certain amount of cuts that you need to clean the machine. What I have seen some of my students, they will take the foot off, they'll take the plate off, and then they go in and they clean that, and then they think that's enough. But there's no way the machine will know that you've cleaned it out. So there is actually a setting in your machine that's going to prompt you as to what to do. So you're going to go to the house, and we're looking for the two circles. So if you have the two circles, touch. You're going to go into the machine, and then you're going to go into the wrench. You'll notice it has like a sweeper, like we're cleaning. So you want to touch that. And cleaning the thread catcher, that's what we're going to be doing. It will give you step by step by step what you need to do. So it's going to tell you remove the pressure foot and the needle. So I'm going to do that. Lower the feed dog. That's the button on the side. And remove the stitch plate, which we have already done. If you haven't not done removing of the stitch plate, you can see the concentric circles, push, and then it comes off. Now, you'll notice that was step one. We need to then rotate the screen down. To do that, you use either of the dials. Select the length. You'll see in blue it says move the thread catcher, and it says out. So you'll notice you saw a little hourglass flash. Then we're going to hit the cutting system. You'll notice that flat bit of metal has come out, and I'm just going to pull my bobbin case out so there's no confusion. And we go and we play house. So we're going to go in and we're going to get all of the lint and debris. If you see like little threads in there, get your tweezers, all of that will help you out a tremendous amount. All right. We were on step two. We moved the thread catcher out. And it'll tell you basically touch the automatic thread cutter bottom. Okay, that's a bit wordy to me. Hit the scissor button. The thread catcher is going to move again to the right, and again we've brushed it or gotten tweezers to get any debris. Step three is also very important. So I'm just going to turn the dial. You'll see again the blue link. It says move the thread catcher in. You have to touch it. You'll see again it'll flash. There you go. And then hit the scissor button one more time. At that point, step four, we're going to attach the stitch plate. Put our needle back in, and this is a wonderful time to make sure it's a new needle if you're not good with changing your needles. And then we're going to put the presser foot on, and don't forget, raise your feed dogs. Hope this helps, and have a great day.